Okay, so I'm officially out of excuses. There's nothing else that seems like it needs to be buttoned up. I'm extremely nervous right now, but it's time to finally get this thing out of this garage on its own. First sign of trouble here running this with no tune. Now I'm just waiting for the idle to catch back up. And my goal at this point is just to get the car back around the block and into my garage. All right, it made it around the block almost perfectly. So it started idling a little bit funny, but I think that's because the computer is still learning, it has not been tuned. But I made my goal. I went around the block, I went around twice. I did shift into third gear, and on that one round, I probably got it up a little too high in the RPMs, and just out of my own excitement, I think that's what caused it to start idling funny. So that wraps up this part. The transmission is going to be okay. It runs and drives now. Now the next step is going over to Boost King, and we're going to get this thing tuned and running properly. As always, thank you for watching. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.